That's the canary that's making all the noise. I'm betting these 6 are pilot cross Sheffields, and the first blues that landed, I bet most of them were all Gordon Hughes. I'm going to start flying these 2 separate kits, I think. Gordon Hughes and these ones. Because look, 3 reds I know are Sheffield Cross Pilot, and the blue with the white tail is Sheffield Cross Pilot. That only leaves 2 blues. I bet these are all Sheffield Cross Pilot. Come on. Right, better get these in. Because we're having a fly tomorrow. Come on. Right, while we're here, should we go and have a little peep in the stock loft? Just give you a quick update. I say stock loft, I mean administration area. Right. As you can see, I've got 2 empty nest boxes. I lost both eggs out of this one. I lost 1 young one out of this one. Didn't hatch out the egg. 2 Sheffields have hatched. Let's have a look. Go for it. 2 young Sheffields. Two Sheffield Cross Pilot. Two Gordon Hughes Blues. And here, oh, that's a fresh egg. That's a fresh egg that is today. This red is from the top box. And I obviously lost one there as well. I can't believe she's laid another egg. Young is only that big, look, and she's laid an egg. This young'un is her young'un. So that's 5 young, no, that's 4 youngs I've lost. Or eggs, shall I say. 2 more Gordon Hughes Blues there. And finally, I've only got 1 young Sheffield in there. I lost 5 young'uns, well, 1 young'un died, and the 4 others were eggs that didn't hatch. Don't know why, but I did have a touch of red mite. Because if you remember, I didn't change the bowls over quick enough because I normally try and wean the birds before they lay a second egg, but they laid the second eggs too early, and I was just left them. Shouldn't have left them, but it doesn't matter because I didn't have enough rings anyway. But consequently, I've got 1 ring left, and that's a ring off a yearling, a red that died. I can't believe she's laid that egg. That has baffled me, why she's laid that egg so soon. Normally the young ones are near enough ready for weaning, aren't they? But she's laid another egg. Never mind. Right. Thanks for watching. And on video tomorrow as we go through the day, because we've got another fly tomorrow. Right. Have a good Sunday, everybody. See you next one.